Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Darren, and this is just a quick video on branding a landing page and branding a video player so that when you post your organization's videos, it looks more native to your environment. Now, to do this is very easy, but we'll first look at what a regular landing page with video can look like. So you'll see here, hippo video, hippo video, hippo video all over the place. Well, what if we want to change this to look like our organization? Well, it's very straightforward. All you have to do is go to branding, which is in the settings. And once you've selected branding, you'll see this page open up where you can change the top bar, the logo inside the player, and the favicon and page title. You can even do things like apply a custom domain so that it looks more native to your website. And the color of the player. You'll see here we've used our color code and applied it directly, but you can scroll through and find a color that's appropriate to you. When this is complete and you want to look at your page, you simply find a video from your profile or from your library. And as you'll see here, it's no longer hippo video. We've applied CloudChoice, our logo, and we've even put our logo in the player and we've colored it blue. So this is very easy to do. However, when your customers or prospects are looking at your videos, by applying this branding, it can make them feel more at home and make them more receptive to watching your videos. So that's it for today. Very easy, but please visit our channel again for more how-to videos. Thank you.